If you're looking for stone floor cleaning in Sunderland or throughout the northeast, then please watch this short video to see what we can do for you. Okay, so it's 6 AM in the morning. As you can see, the lighting's a bit poor, but you can still see just what a poor condition this floor's in. We're really going to have to work some magic on this one. So let's see how we get on. Okay, so we've just finished a very intensive deep clean of this floor. I think you'll agree it's quite a transformation. The floor is still damp at the moment, so next stage in our process is to bring in the turbo dryers. And as the stone dries, you can see just how clean it is. All the natural colours of the stone showing back through. An excellent result and a very happy customer. We also have a couple of sealing options to help protect your floor. We have impregnating sealers that will not alter the look of the floor, and we have colour enhancing sealers, which, as the name suggests, will enhance the natural colours within the stone. Thanks for watching, and if you require any free honest advice on any of your floor care needs, just give us a call.